Man, done telling us that Chuck is for life. Representing for every chucker.
Let it go. Watch it. I have it. Machine is a good look. Yeah man, all dead enough.